all around the TV, ano po ba ang mas mataas na court order o order mula sa prosecutor? Ano po mangyayari kapag may order ang prosecutor sa police tapos hindi nila sinunod? Magkaiba kasi yung role ng prosecutor at saka korte, all around TV 'no. Yung yung role ng prosecutor prior to the filing of the information in court is to determine probable cause. So, let us say if the during an inquest siguro 'no, 'pag nakita ng prosecutor na walang basis, hindi lawful yung arrest, then the prosecutor will have to order the release of the detained person, 'no? Kasi para sa kanya illegal yung pag-aaresto, then gagawa siya ng resolution ordering the police, detaining the respondent to release him. So if he does not release the respondent, then ang effect nun is magiging liable for arbitrary detention yung mga pulis. Kasi wala ng basis to hold the person in detention. Yung court order naman is court order yan in relation to a pending criminal proceeding. So at that stage wala na pong order na gagawin yung prosecutor kasi lahat ng desisyon nasa korte na, no? Ang role na lang ng prosecutor dun sa court when a criminal case is filed is to prosecute the case, no, and present evidence to prove the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt.